Every great product starts with a great vision. At Neostik, that dream took shape back in 2006. But in 2024, we took a bold step. From just factories to the heart of Indian families. With just one simple thought, how can we make premium orthopedic memory foam mattresses affordable and deliver them straight from our factory without middleman to your home? Built with care. Built for India.
Hi, I am Boya Ramu, Managing Director of Neostik Tapes Pvt Ltd.
Good day starts with great sleep, and I am Durga Boyaramu, Director of Neostik Tapes Pvt Ltd.
From a humble 5,000 square feet workshop, we've now grown into a proud 1 lakh square feet facility with our corporate office standing tall in Bengaluru, a proud milestone for all of us. But beyond the buildings and machines, our real strength is our people. Every mattress we make, every milestone we achieve, every happy customer we serve, is because of the heart and hard work of our people. We proudly provide fresh meals, health insurance, and Sudosko card benefits because we truly believe happy people build strong companies. Every day, our team begins their work with focus and dedication, from careful chemical mixing to precise foam making. From cutting foam into different sizes and thicknesses. Here, we believe it's not just about making products. It's about building trust. To rigorous durability and quality checks. From skillfully stitching bed covers to smartly rolling and compressing mattresses for easy delivery. Every action is done with care. Today, we offer more than 100 products, from industrial foams to mattresses, pillows, protectors, and everything you need for a good night's sleep. Behind it all is a smooth system, thoughtful work management, clear coordination, strong planning, and steady leadership by Mr. Ramu Boya and Mrs. Durga Devi P.
From our factory floors to homes across India, we deliver more than mattresses. We deliver comfort, care, and a bond of trust. Neobest, crafted with experience. Powered by people. Designed for India.